Hey guys, Ashley here again. I got some exciting news. I finally got my green tractor. My yellow tractor kind of went belly up earlier this summer. I've been waiting to get this one, so I can't wait to show you. As you tell, I finally got it. Look at that beauty. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have. First one I bought was broken. A broken front wheel, so I'll take it back to Lowe's. So hopefully this one won't be broken. Let's see what we got. Got some instructions here. Probably don't need those. Switch it over to high. Just a little bit. Alright, so as you can see, there's my old yellow one. It went belly up earlier this summer. Thank goodness in Oklahoma we've had so much rain that it really needed earlier, but it's starting to get really dry out here, as you can see in the yard. So let me get this hose moved around and I'll be right back. Start dragging this hose out here. Got about 150 feet of hose I gotta drag out here and go back and get the little lawnmower or the green tractor. But as you can tell, it's getting really dry out here. So it's time to start watering. Haven't had to water all year, so I'm kind of thankful for that. So let me get this moved all the way out. Probably readjust a little bit closer to the house too. And yes, those are my dog, or my neighbor's dog. As you can tell, I've already got this hooked up. Pretty simple. It's got a high and neutral and a low. That way you can pick your speed how it follows the hose all the way down. And yes, they're still barking at me. The one on the right is Maggie. The one on the left is Blue. They like to bark at me every time I go outside. But as you can tell, there's a pretty easy connection right here, just your standard hose connection. And then it's going to turn like this, so you want to point them towards the back, and so it'll spin and use the force to do the spin. The water force it is. And then you put this little wheel right on the front wheel right on the hose, and it'll continue to track the hose, and then you can just move it down or place it wherever you like. So you can snake it, straight line, do whatever you need to do. But pretty simple. I don't have a sprinkler system for my yard, so I'll just use this. Been using it for years. Just really haven't felt the need to buy one yet this year. So. All right, let's fire up the little green tractor. Approximately 10 years almost. It's pretty faded, so it pretty much did its job, and so maybe I'll bury it. Who knows? Looks like I still got a lot of water in the faucet right here when the tractor's still on. So if you guys have any ideas what that might be from, just leave a comment.